Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about the Dahua Ptz CCTV camera and how it works. The Dahua Ptz is a great option when it comes to Ptz cameras. This camera can control its pan, tilt, and zoom functions through an app or a web browser, making it super easy to use. It's also compatible with the 3Grams network, which is perfect for those who need to monitor their property while away from home. Now, let's dive into how this amazing camera works. The Ptz function can be controlled through the app or a web browser in two different ways: manual operation or preset tour. During manual operation, you can pan the camera by swiping left or right, tilt up and down by swiping up or down, and zoom in and out by pinching the screen. Preset tour allows you to create custom scenarios for your needs. For example, if you want to check your front door, you can create a scenario that pans to your front door. The same goes for any other areas you want to monitor. Once you've created your scenarios, just click play on the specific one you need, and the camera will automatically pan or tilt or zoom to the desired area. Overall, the Dahua Ptz CCTV camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient security solution. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one. Until next time.